There isn't a single chain out there that makes me more bullish than Solana when it comes to meme coins, and in this video we're looking at a new meme coin on the Solana ecosystem which could potentially 10 to 100x depending on what happens next, of course. So overall Solana has dipped down a little bit over the last few weeks. We can see the TVL has dipped down to a low of 3.86 billion, but a very strong recovery already as Solana is now back up to 5.33 TVL in terms of $1 billion total value locked into the ecosystem. Now, as before, we actually saw before in 2023, the Sol ecosystem was tiny, but as meme coins emerged, more Solana dApps were created, more coins just effectively built on Solana happened. I think we're in a great spot here, and I think we can see the TVL for Solana keep going up. More memes will be built on Solana, effectively making meme coins on the Sol chain really, really a solid choice. So let's check it out. This has got a super strong narrative right now. This is basically a dude that is walking from England to Romania to meet the top G brothers, Andrew and Tristan Tate. Now, he's walking 1,500 miles on foot, crossing 8 countries. It's a fully doxed KYC developer. And this is a meme coin, like I say, guys, on the Solana ecosystem. These are the charts right here. We can see Andrew Tate was recently released from jail. And as a result, we saw the price go back up. And this is one of those low market cap gems. You've only got 2.65k holders, 1.6 million on the MC, $162,000 on the liquidity. And it's just one of those exciting ecosystems with a real story behind it. Because, like I say, this guy is walking from the UK to Romania to meet Andrew Tate. And these are just some snippets of his journey right here. You can follow him on Instagram. You can follow him on, TikTok and things like that. But it's a real story, and that's what makes it so precious. So day 66, walking from the UK to Romania to meet the Tate brothers. Dev is a firefighter, 86,000 followers on IG, 6.3k Telegram members, 700 YouTube subs on their channel as well. So this is really exciting. Like I say, there's not many meme coins that scream such sort of conviction right now, and the fact it's got such a cool story behind it. There's just nothing like it out there. So recently, Claybro also said adding 1 mil to a 2 million liquidity pool. Yes, people will immediately cash out, but this is going to cause a daddy price surge. Top G 1500 could also benefit on this, as Jake could soon meet the Tate as well, mother as well, because who is daddy without mother, right? So effectively, Claybro thinks that it's possible for Jake, the developer here, to actually meet Andrew Tate, which would be insane if it really did happen. Also, quick update, asset Dash T1500 Top G 1500 has been added to swap rewards. So this is where you can earn 70 plus tokens every time you trade using the Dash bot. You can see T1500 is now available there, which is another place for people to access Top G 1500 tokens. Now, looking at the recent dip for Top G 1500, it has come down quite heavily from the top. As you can see, around 70%. It's still trading in a decent spot though. And I got you guys in, my early VIP group at 0.0006. You're still up about 2.5x from the call. If you want to get calls like that, by the way, do check out my Patreon group down below. I've only got 2 Crypto Legend slots available, and then they're all sold out. This will help you achieve financial, time, and location freedom. So please do check it out down below. Hope that helps, and thank you so much for all the supporters, new and existing, of course. But yeah, let's quickly talk about the price here. So Top G 1500 price prediction. There was recently a decline in the price because Andrew Tate was actually arrested. But it says here, look, the dip has been attributed to a significant sell-off that has pressured the token's price downward. The token recently touched a support level around 0.0021. The level of support is seen as a potential entry point for those bullish on the token's future, as it offers a favorable buying opportunity amid the current market volatility. So we had that crypto crash, and this is still, in my opinion, a decent area to potentially get into for either your first bag, or if you did buy a little bit high, you can dollar cost average into. And I really think it's very unlikely that we're going to come back down to this lower support of 0.001 right there. And if we did, that would result in roughly a 30% correction. But overall, we're in a symmetrical triangle. There's tons of buying pressure at the 0.00013 level, which is where we are right now. And I'm just really waiting for, hopefully, another move to the upside. We want to see that break of resistance at 0.0002. At that 0.0002 region is where we want to break through and get into the threes. He's got around 2 to 3 weeks left of walking to Bucharest to meet the Top G himself, Andrew Tate. And if that happens, and if Tate actually promotes the coin, it's going to potentially do 100x from there. It really could happen. Andrew Tate also has 10% of the supply reserved for him as well. So Really cool ecosystem, really cool coin. And you can see the charts still look ever so bullish compared to where it was a few weeks ago, trading in those low market caps. And this is where things get exciting. It's the next leg up, the next stage up for this coin could be very, very interesting. So please do check out the charts, the links down below if you're interested to buy this Solana meme coin gem, which could do very, very well. Of course, not financial advice, don't risk more than you can afford to lose, but this is a big narrative right now. It says, developer is walking 1,500 miles from the UK to Romania to meet the Tate brothers. All socials on Linktree, so do check out their Linktree on the Twitter, have a look at the Instagram, get to know what they're up to, follow the story, it's very interesting. Here's a little snippet, look, I might as well just show you.
Come back to the car. Yo guys, so we're hitting up a little before we start today. Food shop for the next few days. Come back to the car and there's a note on the car. What's this? Because we got
So,
his left.
This is actually a box that was supplied by the, Andrew Tate's merchandise team.
For our...
So he's even sponsored by like Andrew Tate's merchandise team. That's absolutely solid. Really cool to see. So stay in the know, stay up to date, have a look at the coin. It's very exciting. And they're really just helping.
On fucking fire. They're out here fighting it with water buckets. He shouted me over to put out his barn.
We've been running back for 20 minutes helping this man with bucket.
This guy has done so much.
No, because they're going to help someone save their livelihood.
Hey guys.
So the developer, the guy you see on screen, in just the space of like a week, he's rescued 2 dogs. He's helped an old woman with, loss of money and helping her get a home. And he's also helped basically restore and prevent this house from
5 degrees here. Walking to meet a top and I become a firefighter.
He's an awesome guy. So that's really cool to see. I didn't even know that and I just discovered that. I should have actually found that out first. But yeah, like I say, stay in the know. There's developer. There's one of the dogs that actually he rescued and is going to rehome them in the United Kingdom. Yeah, there's so much to love about this project and this guy. So like I say, check out the project down below. Maybe you want to support the movement. Maybe you want to get involved. Maybe 1K could flip to 10K. Who honestly knows? But I still think it's a good position to get into. Of course, be responsible. And always have a level of sort of sensibility with these things because it's still a meme coin at the end of the day, but it's a safer bet in my opinion at the moment. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay crypto safe and make sure you subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals this coming bull run. Bye for now. Peace.